welcome to Stroyer Brothers. I am the first face you're going to see around here. I will help get an estimate started for you. I can take photos. I will help you with your insurance. Any phone calls that need to be made or emails to your adjuster, we can set up an inspection to get them out here. I can also help set up your rental. If you need a ride home and you're local to the area, I will be your Uber. If you have any questions during the repairs, you can call me or email me at any time, or even come on by to see your vehicle during the process. If you'd like to come down and check it out, we'd love to have you and give you a tour. You can give me a call at 760-743-5037.